By now, most of you have seen this image and wondering what I'm holding in my hand. That's an NFC. Stands for Near Field Communication. You wondering what it does? I'll show you. The whole album right here. This gives me access to his album. Not only do I get to listen to his music, there's video. Here it says more. Those are links to different websites that contain merchandise from this artist. Video. Blinded. All from here by placing this on the back of my phone. That's DULA. Arts, a reason to survive. What else do I have access to? Instagram, hoodies, t-shirts, and purchase album. Any one of these links gives you access to his merchandise, links, merch. Now, as I refresh, in order for me to access the information on this card, it's as simple as that. Innovation, NFC music.